What's up, guys? Today we are making this delicious stroganoff, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by cutting up or dicing up our onion, and then we're going to cut up all of our steak into bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to take our cast iron skillet over medium-high heat and put a little bit of olive oil in there, and then we're going to cook our steak. You don't want to cook it for too long, so you still want a little bit of pink, but you want the outsides to be mainly charred because we are going to add it back to the sauce to finish cooking, so it should look like this. So I would say like 2 minutes on each side. Then we're going to add our butter to the same pan, and we're going to melt that up, and then we're going to add in our mushrooms and our onions, and we're going to cook those down until they're soft. So this should take about 5 to 7 minutes, and we're using the cast iron skillet for all of it. And then I like to break up my mushroom, like the really big mushroom pieces, but that's totally up to you. Once it's been cooked down, it'll look nice like this, and the water there'll be like water from the mushrooms. So then we're going to add in our flour and soak up all of the liquid that's in there, and just stir that around until it's fully coated. Once it's fully coated, we're going to add in our almond milk, our chicken broth, or our beef broth, sorry, and then our dairy-free yogurt and dairy-free cream cheese, and we're just going to mix that around. You can whisk it if you want, and then let that simmer for 4 minutes, and then add our Worcestershire and all of our dry seasonings in there, and then we're going to whisk that up again and let that sit for another 3 minutes simmering on the stovetop. The whisk is nice because it really just gets like everything mixed in there, but you can see how thick the sauce is. And then after that, we're going to add our steak back in and then just cook it for about 3 minutes, and then it'll be done. I put this over a bed of rice, and it was literally like freaking amazing. But all right, bon appetit. That's really fucking good.